Ever wished you could rewind time, especially when you forgot to start that timer? No worries, I'm going to show you how to manually add time in Clockify, perfect for those offline tasks or when you need to tweak your tracked hours. First things first, you'll want to be on the Timesheet view. You can usually find this on the left-hand navigation menu. Next, look for the big, friendly Add Time button, typically located at the top right of the screen. Click it. This opens up the manual time entry form. Here's where you'll input all the details about the time you spent. Start by selecting the project you are working on from the drop-down menu. If the project has assigned tasks, choose the specific task you were engaged in. Now, this is where the magic happens. Click on the Start Time field. This will bring up a calendar and time selector. Choose the date and time you began working. Repeat the process for the end time, selecting when you wrapped up the task. Clockify automatically calculates the duration for you. Don't forget the description field. This is super important for adding context to your time entry. Write a brief summary of what you worked on. Finally, double-check all your information to make sure it's accurate. Then hit that Save button and you're done. Your manually added time entry will now appear in your timesheet, just like any other track time. This way, you can make sure every minute of your work gets recorded. That's it for today's Clockify tip. Now you know how to manually add time to your Clockify account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving tutorials.